Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How IoT is transforming trailer maintenance for logistics companies. The Internet of Things, IoT, connects devices to share data, making operations smarter across industries. In logistics, it's changing how trailers are maintained, shifting from reactive fixes to real-time monitoring. With sensors tracking everything from tire pressure to brake wear, fleets can spot issues before they lead to costly delays. For logistics companies, unplanned downtime isn't just an inconvenience, it hurts efficiency and cuts profits. IoT helps by turning maintenance into a proactive process. Instead of waiting for breakdowns, teams get alerts the moment something's off, keeping trailers on the road longer. The result? Fewer surprises, lower costs, and smoother operations. Understanding IoT in trailer maintenance. IoT, short for Internet of Things, is a network of smart devices that collect and share data without human intervention. In trailer maintenance, this means sensors, GPS, and software work together to monitor condition and performance in real time. Instead of guessing when a part might fail, logistics teams get precise insights, turning gut-based decisions into data-driven ones. Key IoT components for trailer tracking. At the core of IoT-enabled trailers are a few essential technologies. Sensors measure everything from tire pressure to brake temperature, detecting anomalies before they become problems. GPS tracking pinpoints trailer location, helping optimize routes and prevent theft. Telematics systems gather and transmit sensor data to a central platform for analysis. Cloud computing stores and processes massive amounts of data, making it accessible from anywhere. These components feed into analytics tools that spot trends, like a trailer's suspension wearing faster on certain routes, so fleets can adjust before breakdowns happen. How IoT improves maintenance efficiency. IoT doesn't just report problems. It prevents them. Here's how. Predictive alerts flag issues like low coolant levels or uneven tire wear, so repairs happen before a small issue becomes a roadside emergency. Fuel efficiency monitoring tracks engine performance and driving patterns to help reduce unnecessary fuel waste. Automated records update maintenance logs automatically, cutting paperwork and ensuring compliance. Extended lifespan results from proactive care, meaning parts last longer and costly replacements are delayed. With IoT, maintenance shifts from a chore to a strategic advantage. Less downtime, lower costs, and trailers that stay on schedule. What fleet manager wouldn't want that? Benefits of IoT in trailer maintenance. IoT isn't just about collecting data. It's about turning that data into real-world savings and smoother operations. For logistics companies, the shift from manual checks to smart, connected trailers means fewer breakdowns, lower costs, and safer roads. Here's how IoT makes trailer maintenance smarter. Cost savings and ROI. Every unexpected repair cuts into profits. IoT helps by catching small issues before they escalate. For example, a sensor detecting uneven brake wear early can prevent a repair from turning into a costly axle replacement. Here's where the savings add up. Fewer emergency repairs mean scheduling fixes during planned downtime, avoiding costly roadside service calls. Optimized part replacements use IoT data to show exactly when parts are wearing out, cutting unnecessary spend. Lower insurance premiums are available to fleets with IoT tracking, which often qualify for discounts due to fewer accidents or theft. The upfront cost of sensors and telematics pays for itself quickly. Some fleets see ROI within 12 months just from fuel and maintenance savings. Reduced downtime through predictive maintenance. Waiting for a breakdown to fix a problem is like ignoring a check engine light until your car stalls on the highway. IoT flips this approach by flagging issues before they stop a trailer in its tracks. Sensors monitor critical systems, tire pressure, bearing temperature, brake fluid levels, and send alerts the moment something's off. Maintenance teams can then schedule repairs during idle periods, not mid-delivery. Order parts in advance, so technicians aren't waiting for shipments. Rotate trailers efficiently, keeping the fleet moving while one gets serviced. The result? Trailers spend more time hauling freight and less time stuck in the shop. Enhanced safety and compliance. A single tire blowout or brake failure can put drivers and other motorists at risk. IoT reduces these dangers by providing real-time visibility into trailer health. Real-time alerts warn drivers of issues like overheating brakes before they cause accidents. Automated logs track maintenance history, ensuring compliance with DOT regulations without manual paperwork. Route analytics identify rough roads or harsh braking patterns that strain equipment, so fleets can adjust driver training or avoid problematic routes. With IoT, safety isn't guesswork. Fleets get hard data to back up every decision, from when to retire a trailer to which drivers need extra coaching. Real-world applications of IoT in trailer maintenance. IoT isn't just theoretical. Logistics companies are already using it to solve everyday maintenance challenges. From fleet managers tracking hundreds of trailers to cold chain operators protecting perishable goods, these applications show how sensors and data are making trailers smarter and more reliable. Case study: fleet management companies. Large fleets lose thousands of dollars every hour a trailer sits idle. One major logistics provider cut unplanned downtime by 30% after fitting their trailers with IoT sensors. Here's how they did it. Tire pressure monitoring flagged underinflated tires before blowouts occurred, reducing roadside service calls by 45%. Brake wear tracking used real-time data on brake pad thickness to schedule replacements during routine inspections, avoiding last-minute delays. Engine diagnostics used telematics to spot fuel injector issues early, cutting repair costs by 60% compared to reactive fixes. Their cloud-based dashboard aggregates data from all trailers, so managers see maintenance trends across the entire fleet. If 5 trailers on the same route show suspension wear, they know to reassess that road's impact on equipment. That wraps up Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll dive deeper into the specific IoT solutions and how they're being implemented in the logistics industry. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.